This is my secret recipe for chicken pasta. Hey salam, I hope you guys are well. Al-Alchef is back for another video, and this time I'm making spicy chicken pasta. Honestly, this is one of the best pasta recipe that you guys gonna try. I'm gonna serve this chicken pasta with a very nice salad and vinaigrette. Trust me, you're gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Al-Alchef presents. First of all, we're gonna start with prepping our sauce for the pasta. To add more flavor into our sauce, I'm gonna roast some of the garlic, chili, etc. Here I'm using a whole garlic bulb. You wanna slice it. You could also use a bit of the onion, but trust me, there's no need. Mild red chilies, you can use more or less depending on your liking. Slice them and get rid of the seeds, and now just roughly chop them. Grab yourself a large sized ramekin like this one. Add the chilies, some of these basil leaves, sun-dried tomatoes. Oh my god, these are so flavorful. Some of these whole black and red peppercorns. Again, they're gonna add an amazing flavor. Go ahead, some of that dried thyme. Thyme and chicken goes very well together. Oregano, and I like to use some of these red chili flakes. Again, totally optional. And our garlic is gonna sit just here in the middle. Good pinch of salt in there, and finally we're gonna cover this with oil. Later on we're gonna use this oil to cook our pasta, and you can also save some of the oil to maybe cook up some eggs or other dishes. Make sure to push the garlic down so it's completely submerged in the oil. Cover this with a foil paper, and this goes in a preheated oven at 200 Celsius, and we're gonna let this roast for around 25 to 30 minutes. It might take longer depending on the oven that you're using. I've removed it from the oven now. It smells really good, trust me. Carefully open this and remove everything onto a plate, including our herbs and spices. I promise you, this is where the real flavor is. You guys gonna absolutely love this chicken pasta. Now grab yourself a blender and remove all the garlic. It should easily come out. Also, rest of the ingredients along with the peppercorns. And now in with the tomato passata. You can also use fresh tomatoes without the skin. Using a light brown sugar so we can remove some of the acidity from the tomatoes. And since I'm making chicken pasta, I'm gonna throw in one chicken stock cube, or you can use fresh chicken stock later. Again, just for more flavor, you know. And finally in with some of our flavored oil. Now you want to cover and blend this until it's nice and smooth. Ugh, oh my god, it's hard to open this. Let's go. Oh my god. There you go. That looks beautiful. Have a little taste. Oh my god. This is so delicious. One of the best pasta sauce ever. Just set this aside for now. Now when we're cooking our chicken mince, we're gonna use some of the seasoning. I've got here black pepper, red chili flakes, again, which are optional, smoked paprika, salt, and finally I'm gonna grate some of the nutmeg into that. So that's all we're gonna use for our chicken. Set aside. Alright, let's get cooking. Turn on the heat to around medium. And with some of our leftover flavored oil, around 3 tablespoons or so. You want to get that pan nice and hot. Here I've got chicken mince that has a mix of thigh and breast. Or let's add in the chicken slowly. You want to get a nice sear on the chicken from both sides. It should take you around 5 minutes on each side. Just gonna break it in the middle. Now just carefully turn this over. As you can see, we got a beautiful sear on that chicken. We're gonna continue to do this from the other side. Give it another 4 or 5 minutes. Once done, slowly start to break down the mince, alright? If needed, you can deglaze this pan with a touch of water. You're gonna absolutely love this chicken pasta, trust me. Now is the best time to throw in our seasoning. Again, a really good mix to that. And cook the rawness of those spices. You could also use a masher to really break down this mixture. Now in with our sauce. Throw that in. Some of the water. A really good mix to this, and deglaze that pan properly. That looks so delicious, trust me. It was some more fresh basil. Now you want to cover and let this cook for around 15 minutes. The heat is on low medium. Alright, so it's been around 15 minutes. Let's check this. Bismillah. That looks absolutely delicious. Perfectly nice and saucy. That's exactly what we're looking for. I'm just gonna turn off the heat at this point. Get rid of this basil. Now this is the best time to check for any seasoning and adjust if needed. I'm just gonna throw in a light pinch of salt and black pepper. So nice and rich. Absolutely delicious. This sauce is more than enough for around 500 grams of pasta. This sauce can be stored in the fridge for up to 3 days. You can also freeze the sauce for later use. Our delicious chicken pasta sauce done. We're going to serve the salad with this very nice balsamic garlic thyme vinaigrette, with the Dijon mustard, fresh garlic paste, thyme, Go pinch of salt and black pepper, fine zest of fresh lemon, and some of this lemon juice. Always try to use fresh stuff. Go in with 1 large egg yolk. Give everything a really good mix and combine everything. Now who remembers of our amazing fragrant oil? You want to slowly stream that in and emulsify everything. You only need few tablespoons. And now a good splash of balsamic vinegar. And again, just give this a really good mix. Have a little taste and adjust anything if you need to. Our amazing vinaigrette done. For our tomato salad, I'm using a golden cherry tomatoes. You want to slice them in the middle. Here I've got baby plum tomatoes, again slice them in the middle. Using a 1 small red onion, you want to thinly slice it. Now throw in cold salted water and leave it there for around 15 minutes so we can cut the sharpness of the onion. And here I'm using gem lettuce, you want to separate all the leaves. Throw them in cold water and leave it there for 5 minutes and then drain. Finally, I'm using some of the spring onion greens. Thinly slice it. Grab a bowl in with the tomatoes, spring onion greens, onions, add some of the vinaigrette. A really good mix to that. And we are ready to plate up our salad. Place all your gem lettuce in the middle. And now carefully place all the salad on the top. I'm gonna garnish it with some of the fresh orange. That looks so delicious. You guys gonna absolutely love this salad. For the pasta, I'm using a fusilli. You could also use fusilli, tagliatelle, spaghetti, or any other pasta of your choice. Rigatoni or penne would be good as well. 80 to 100 grams of pasta is enough for 1 person, and that should give you 5 to 6 servings. Add a good touch of salt in boiling water, and in with the pasta. Let the pasta cook until it's al dente, meaning it still has a bite to it. It's best to follow the instructions on your packaging. Just gonna move it to a different heat and grab yourself a pan. The heat is on medium-low. Add our sauce onto that. Some of the pasta water. This chicken pasta is gonna be so irresistible. Loosen up the sauce a little, alright? So it's almost ready for our pasta. Now strain the pasta into that, but don't throw the pasta water. A little bit more seasoning, some fresh black pepper, a little bit of the cheese, if you like. Now just let this cook until everything is emulsified and cheese is completely melted. Use a bit more pasta water if needed. A little bit more cheese. Mix and emulsify everything. You haven't tried a pasta like this before. That looks so delicious. Just turn off the heat now. You can garnish it with some parsley or basil. Trust me, you guys gonna really enjoy this. Feel free to add some more cheese on the top if you like. Oh, that looks so delicious. Like I said before, this is one of the best pasta that you guys gonna try. Our amazing spicy chicken pasta done. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks so delicious. I'm gonna start with the pasta straight. The sauce is so nice and rich. Let's try it. Bismillah. Wow. The sauce is so mouth-watering, trust me. Amazing flavor. If I were to give this a rating out of 10, this will be 11. The sauce is a really nice chicken flavor. Has a little bit of kick to it, you know, it's not too spicy. Honestly, one of those moments where I've lost words, you know. As I mentioned before, this is one of the best chicken pasta that you guys gonna try. Alright, let's try some of our salad now. Bismillah. Wow, those tomatoes along with the lettuce, the vinaigrette, amazing, trust me. Pasta goes really nice with the salad as well, you know. If I had to choose between bolognese and this is on the top, trust me. I really hope you guys will enjoy this pasta recipe. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, make sure you like, and I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.